I do, Mick Portney from Alzoin, West Midlands, UK. Just doing a quick video on raised beds. I'm all raised beds on my allotments. I have been for about 18 years now. It's easier, less work, you gotta think when you get old. Less stress and whatever. I haven't dug for 20 odd years. That's why worms were invented, use them. The hardest thing with raised beds is filling them up from scratch. All my raised beds at the top of the garden are waist height, meaning no bending. You gotta think when you get old. On the allotment, I use scaffolding boards, which are covered in horticultural plastic, meaning they will last moons. So this bit of video is just explaining the hardest thing with raised beds is filling them up from scratch. But to start off with, if they're 4 foot wide, you can reach the middle from either side, meaning you're not going to tread on them. There's no compaction, you only dig because you've compacted the soil. If there's no compaction, you don't dig. Let nature dig or turn it. Anyway, you've seen the video how I fill my raised beds. All natural products mean they're going to break down, and it's working with nature. Okay. Right, we fill the raised bed, my last raised bed. This raised bed will be used for growing giant veg next year at the Malvern show. It's got a good brew in it. There's going to be no fertilisers added, whatever. All me grubs in there. Worms are in there, they'll be digging. Whatever you use, whatever manure you use, there's your activator and your worm content. The worms will get in there. Feed wise, all I do next year, whatever I put in, will be compost tea, which I've made out of my own compost, and grey belly and foliar feeding as well. But looking after the soil, because I've covered the bed, keeping it moist, I'm doing a moisture check exactly the same with compost tea or me leaf mould bins. I'll take the lid off, lift the carpet I got on top on it and do a moisture check. If I can see a worm, I know it's moist. I'll put the carpet back down. If I don't see a worm, then I will water it. Keep it moist. If it's moist, it is working away. This is bacteria, fungi and the worms. If it dries out, it is just ticking over. Keep it moist. And by the time you come to use it, take the cover off and it's ready for you. The worms have been digging. Beautiful stuff. Enjoy. Cheers.